When the soffit and fascia, roof and trims are in place, the rainwater goods can be installed. The products required for this are gutters, outlet, brackets, stop ends, joiners, fixings, downpipe and silicone. The tools required: impact driver, drill with metal drill bit, tape measure, jigsaw or reciprocating saw, spirit level, string line, pencil and marker. Even though this roof is called a flat roof system, there is still a fall from front to back of approximately 2 degrees. The gutter is always installed at the eave of the roof. The brackets are first to be installed. The first bracket is to be positioned so the gutter sits slightly below the eave drip. The gutter system that Britmet offer does not require a fall to the outlet. Therefore, install a bracket at the other end of the required guttering, the same height as the first. Use a string line and spirit level to achieve the relevant positioning. A bracket is required either side of the outlet for support. Brackets are required where there are any joins, so that each end of the gutter sits equal on the bracket. Place the outlet into the brackets and click to ensure a secure fit. The brackets need to be installed evenly across the length of the guttering, preferably no wider than 600 to 750 mm. Regularly check that the brackets are level. Offer the bracket into position and mark the 2 fixing points. If required, pre-drill. Reposition the bracket and secure with 2 fixings. Place the gutter into the brackets and click into place. For the stop ends, silicone the end of the gutter or outlet and push the stop end into place. Then silicone the inside join to create a watertight seal. Internal joiners are used over the butted gutters, silicone along the join of the gutters. Then insert the joiner over the silicone and click into place. Seal either side of the joiner to ensure a watertight seal. Slide the downpipe over the outlet and pre-drill through both. Using a colour matching low profile fastener, secure the downpipe and the outlet together. If using pipe brackets, position the brackets evenly and secure to the wall. Once all the rainwater goods are in place and sealed with the silicone, let the silicone harden and test with water afterwards.